Did you know that self-work and spiritual awakening, in most of the time, they begin and happen because something bad happened? They almost never happen because people just decide one day they want to be better, or they need to go into some self-work with themselves. Most of the time, it is because something bad happened, or people get into situations, or having some kind of traumas, and they are at a point in their lives that something needs to be done, something needs to be changed, and the only way for them out is to begin something new. That happens to be to go through your story and into self-work. And for many people, they experiencing spiritual awakening. And going into self-work, really dive into self-work and into yourself and do the work that needs to be done, is just hard as hell. And that's just me being honest. If your self-work isn't hard, you're not working it right. When you go into self-work, you are really digging up carrots that you have been digging down for a very long time. And for you to be able to dig them up again, it just takes effort, and it takes tears, and it takes time, and it's just hard. And some days feel like you just can't do it anymore. You're just giving up, and everything in your mind is telling you to give up. That is all part of the work, the progress. But you don't give up. You keep going. And you keep going until your mind stops telling you to give up. And when you get to that point, you have worked yourself out from the control of your mind or your ego, because that is what it is called. It's called the ego. And to put it into some perspective, you can think about it like your ego figure is here and your higher self is here. And when you work your self-work and begin your spiritual awakening progress, we want our higher self to be in control, not the ego. Because the ego works by the patterns of the mind, but your higher self works by new patterns that you have been creating. And for myself, I had to go through all of that progress. Was it hard? Fuck, yes, it was. I had my times. I had my really bad days. I had days when I couldn't even get out of bed. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Because today I am free from the old beliefs, the old behavioral patterns that I used to have, and have created a new patterns where I can just be myself. And each and every day I go to sleep with the thought that the day tomorrow is going to be good. And the day after, when I wake up, before I get out of my bed, I sit for a few seconds on my bed and think. And I align myself with my thoughts. And I decide that the day today is going to be a good day, a productive day, and I am going to be whole. I hope those messages help you. I hope you resonate with my videos. Please hit follow if you like my content. I know this is a long video, but I just wanted to explain a little bit for you what self-work and what spiritual awakening is in person and from my perspective, because it is my passion in life after going through all of this. to help you, if you are in the same place that I once were, get to the point where I am now in this freedom. So if you watched the whole video, thank you for watching. I hope it helps and hope to see you in the next video.